Hey guys, so we are here on this pursuit, and we just finished some repairs. Here we have a Raymarine e120. The problem with this Raymarine e120 was that the knob had failed and it had broken off completely. So we, instead of replacing the whole unit, we went ahead and replaced the knob. So sometimes you can get away with that, just saving the whole GPS and saving yourself thousands of dollars. Another thing we found was this Clarion controller had failed. As you can see, right there, the backlight is failing. But if we turn on the radio here, it works completely. It works perfect. So there is no point in replacing that at this point. So in many cases, either like our DSM 300 had a bad connection, so we went ahead and repaired that, and the transducer works now too, and everything else looks pretty good. So our recommendation is that you don't always need to replace everything. A replacement is not always the fix. Rather, diagnosing the problem properly and being able to fix that, that's the best way to go about things.